Hello class, I hope you guys had a wonderful Halloween in October. Today we're going to start with our November assignments. So go ahead and jump onto our classroom website. Today we'll be going to Forms and Documents. When you click on that, you'll see several folders. Click on the one that says the week of November 4th through the 10th. And that'll direct you to our Google Drive. And we have our nouns and pronouns slideshow that we're going to review today. Alright, first we're going to do a little recap of what we learned in October. So in October, the first thing that we learned about was when to capitalize words. A primary example of that would be to capitalize the first word of every sentence. We also learned how to punctuate a sentence. For that we have questions, periods, and question marks. And then overall we just learned on writing complete sentences. Now in November we're going to learn what actually constitutes as a complete sentence and what different words that we need to include in our sentences. So in Chapter 2 we learned first about nouns and pronouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. In our example, we have boy, school, or dinosaur. This sheet tells us a little bit more specifically each person, thing, or place that a noun could be, such as home, park, house. We have things like apples, books, cup, and people, such as a friend, nurse, or teacher. So just for a little fun, let's look around our room and let's think about some nouns we could see while we were maybe riding on the bus to school or with our parents. What are some nouns we could see while on the playground? Fences, swings. And what are some nouns we could see while we're sitting at home? So just look around the room you're in. You see a bed, maybe some clothes. And then we also have pronouns. So we've learned in Chapter 2 that pronouns are words that are used in place of a noun. So with our previous example, we had boy. Instead of using boy, we could use the word he. Instead of saying school, we can say it. Instead of saying the dinosaurs, we could say them. So here's just a little example of why we use pronouns. We have this sentence, Tim, Sally, Danny, and Sam went to the park. Tim, Sally, Danny, and Sam had fun at the park. Well, that becomes really hard to say over and over again. So instead of saying all those names, we can replace that with the pronoun they. They had fun while they were there. There would also be a pronoun. So we want to review again. A noun is a person, place, or thing. And pronouns are words we use to replace our nouns, such as he, she, they, it, me, you, we, I, and me. Here's our definitions for noun and pronouns again. You might want to write this down. It could be something you'd see on a future test. And then I have some more common pronouns. Another thing we might want to jot down that might be on a future test. Alright, and then what to expect next week. We're going to start learning about verbs. Make sure you continue watching all your flipped classroom assignments. And this month overall, we're just going to work towards identifying all the words in a sentence. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.